Affordable EV Charger Installer, Ardmore, Pennsylvania, 888-901-4131. Many thanks for clicking this video about affordable EV Charger Installer in Ardmore, Pennsylvania. Call us today if you need electric car charger installation for your home or business. Our telephone number is 888-901-4131. We are available to assist you with installations and repair services of electric car chargers. Additionally, today we are going to find out about tax credits for electric car charger installation. Depending on where you reside, you might be eligible to get tax credits for installing an electric car charger. There are two varieties of quick charging stations, Level 2 and DC. Both of them can be installed at home, however it is essential to understand which one is right for you. You additionally will have to think about the cost, which can vary from one company to another. Level 2 versus DC fast charging stations. Deciding on a charging station is a crucial choice for electric car owners. There are two prime options, Level 2 and DC fast charging stations. Nonetheless, the choice is dependent on the sort of car. Level 2 chargers are one of the most popular. They charge your EV at rates of about 25 miles per hour. These are generally cheaper to buy and install. They include a SAE J1772EV plug that works with the majority of automobiles. They are readily available for sale online or in the US. Level 3 chargers, on the other hand, are much faster and more pricey. They can charge your EV in 20 to 30 minutes. They are best for roadside stops or retail locations. They need 400 to 900 volt direct current infrastructure. Unlike Level 2 chargers, they are a little more complicated to install. Level 1 versus Level 2 electric car chargers. Choosing the ideal electric car charger isn't typically straightforward. There are a number of alternatives available, and each has its benefits and drawbacks. A smart decision depends on the amount of money you want to invest, the convenience you are looking for, and the overall flexibility you have. There are two primary types of chargers accessible, and each has its own advantages and disadvantages. The very first is a standard house outlet that offers a range of 12 to 30 miles per hour. The second is a Level 2 charger, which works on 240 volts. This type of charging is quicker, and offers more charging range than the Level 1 charger. Using the appropriate power source can improve the battery's capability by 8 times. The small Level 1 charger is often offered with new electric cars. It is a little box that looks like a regular home outlet, but with a longer cable and grounded plug. Electric car charger expense. Whether you own and operate an electric car or are planning to purchase one, installing an EV charging station can cost up to $1,000. The installation cost will depend on where you live, the kind of charger you prefer, and how far the charger will be installed from your house. In most cases, the fee for an EV charging station will vary from $1,200 to $2,500. The cost will be affected by the range from the electrical panel to the charging port, and the electrical panel's capacity. An EV charging station should be installed by a certified electrical contractor. An electrical expert will have the ability to offer you a more accurate estimate. A professional can also help you choose the most ideal location for the charger. If you may need to get a new breaker box, this will likewise contribute to the installation expense. A brand new breaker box costs $500 $1,000. It may be worth the cost for individuals who use their garage for more than one motor vehicle. Electric car charger tax credits. Regardless of whether you are a property owner or a business, there are numerous tax credits that may be applied to the cost of installing an electric car charger. These can be a substantial help. A number of these are federal and others are state-sponsored. You will want to submit an Internal Revenue Service Form 8911 when you file your company taxes, and this will help you to figure out the credit you will obtain. In addition to the federal tax credit, you might even be qualified to apply for regional and state incentives. The National Conference of State Legislatures has a thorough listing of programs in each region. You can find information about these programs by browsing on your state's website. To get budget-friendly electric car charger installation pricing, and uncover how you might have the ability to get your new electric car charger installed for practically very little, utilizing tax credits, call us today at 888-901-4131. Affordable EV Charger Installer, Ardmore, Pennsylvania, 888-901-4131.